got, what's that? $12.22 for 8 miles. No, sir. We got another one. $16.03 for 7.7 miles. No, sir. Gonna leave that right where it's at.
Yes, sir.
Wow, this thing recording that whole time. We are pulling up to Walmart. We at the Wood River Walmart today. Let's see if we can get an order. You know, it's a battle going on right here in these Walmart stores when it comes to getting these orders on Walmart Spark. It pretty much boils down to, is they using the signal jammers and the bots to grab the orders? And that's going to determine if you're able to make some money. Now, we is out here early. The time is 10:30. Usually when the shop orders start coming out, but they have been known to come out a little bit earlier. So let's see if we can get like 4 Spark orders done today. See if we can knock it out and make that daily go. Look at them, they got a nice big old TV. 55-inch TLC. Okay, go ahead, get it in. I ain't even mad at you. It took us a minute, boy, but we finally got one. Look, we got a little shopping order. 16 bucks, 5 miles, and it's 10 items. So if you're familiar with shopping pays, that's not even really a great offer. You know, 16 bucks, 5 miles, if it was like 2 items, that would be optimal, but this is my first order. It's actually what, 11? It's 11 on the dot, so we got 20 minutes until the next drop time on the next hour. This is all I'm gonna get right here. I'm finna knock this out, hurry up and double back so I can be back at 11:20, see if I can get an order in to really get my day started. Because this is technically like one of those in-between orders where it just kind of fall in between the hour. Definitely not a great order, but I'm happy to get it though, because if I hurry up, I can be in and out before they even get loaded up. And I only got 1 drop off. Everybody over there gonna have at least 2 to 3 drop offs. And it's probably not even got the mile-to-money ratio that this one got. Order number 1. I was in there for 10 minutes, got that thing shopped. Wasn't even that many items. Let's get it. Now we got a 5-mile delivery distance till we get to our destination. And let me go ahead and check the time real quick. Ooh, snaps. Well, it's 11:14, so it took me a little bit longer than 10 minutes, but I also had to use the restroom. So let me hurry up and get this delivered so we can get back. All right, fam, we made it to our delivery destination. These people stay right on the main road too. But luckily I'm FDA with them whip skills too, so we got up in there easily. Let's see, okay, no photo, no signature, I like that. I hate when it's a photo confirmation and then they want you to do a signature too. Nobody got time for that. Let's get this stuff up to this front door. Just made it back to the Walmart parking lot. It's 11:40. I miscalculated by a lot on that one because, yeah, I basically already missed the round robin drop and I didn't get no shopping order pulling up into the parking lot. And usually, if it's a lot of orders out there on any given hour, you'll see something when you pulling up. They ain't even send me nothing. I got an ASAP order for another Walmart that got 15 drops. This is like the worst order that's probably sitting out here right now. I'm gonna pull over to my little spot where I feel like I get better offers at, but look, I see the illegal immigrants over there. Curbside is completely empty. That means either everybody got an order for ASAP or they waiting to pull up. Either way, I was hoping to get a shopping order before I made it back up here. So that lets me know the current tide of the market right now. I'm gonna pull up right over here in my little spot, see if we can't get us an order, because I definitely see them two sitting in that car right there, so they ain't got nothing. I see the other dude right there, so he ain't got nothing. So it's definitely gonna be a battle today. It's not gonna be easy to get your orders, but you definitely gotta fight to win it if you wanna make that money. So far, we only got 16 bucks. I think there go my homie Earl right there. $8 for 3.8 miles. And they talking about some they finding items, confirm arrival. All right, just made it to drop off number 2. This customer is disabled and it's another signature delivery. But this was a good order, $20 for 3 miles, 3 customers. So you know what? I'm gonna get this in there. I almost returned it, but since they said they disabled, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up for them. Even though it requires a signature, we gonna make sure we looking out for the elderly and disabled. Order number 2, let's get it done. Order number 3, all this shit right here, going up there. All right, let's get this thing done. Definitely gonna need the wagon on this one. That is, if I'm able to get it out. Look at all this stuff. Look at this. I bet they tipped $2. My other 2 customers tipped me in cash, so usually mean that this one didn't. Look at all this shit. That's crazy. Look at that shit. Number 3, stop playing with me. We got $26, 3.7 miles, shop and deliver. I needed that one right there. So I was parked over here at the curbside side. Now we going over here because we got a shop, baby. And it's only 23 items on this bad boy, so this is a great customer. Miles to money ratio is good. Item count is good. Nice and easy on this one. Order number 3. Let's see, this one right here should put me at about 66 on the day. So let's see if we can get like 1 or 2 more. Hit that daily goal, and we'd be good to go. Got pretty lucky because the last customer we dropped off to left us a cash tip. We got $6 in cash tips so far for today. First order $16, second order $20. That's 36 right there. Add the 6 on top of that make 42. Then you add the 26 to this one. So that's gonna bring us about what, 48. We got, what's that? $12.22 for 8 miles. No sir, not taking that. We're gonna leave that right where it's at. Then we got another one, $16.03 for 7.7 miles. No sir, gonna leave that right where it's at. I did get lucky. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3 orders done so far. Let's see, that's 46. Carry the change, make it 47. Add the 10 and make it 57. Add 6 to that make it like 63. But then I got $6 in cash tips, so we almost at $70. I was a little bit off with my calculations. We only need another $30 order and we good. That'll be the daily goal right there. I'll be able to head to the crib. So you know what, I'm excited. You know, it's early, it's only 2:13 right now. I got 7 more minutes until the round robins drop for this hour. And if I can get like a little $30 banger, I'll be happy with that. We got the Venezuelans over there. They all over there getting them shops. They probably already gone. They was just over there. They already gone. But you know what? It's all good though, because if they already in there, that means it's a higher probability that I myself will get a shopping order. And if I get another one just was like the one I just did, that was like 26.44. If I get another one like that, 26.44, couple of miles, I'll be good with that. I'll say forget them extra $4. But if not, I will try to get a better curbside order, because in curbside orders later on in the day, you're more likely to get a higher dollar amount. Let's see what this is. Nope, same order still on there. Nothing else popped up yet, but it's good though. I know my time slots. We got 6 minutes until that new round robin drop. You see it's 2:14. Round robins have dropped. This is the first one, $13.92. It's alcohol. $2.92 on the tip. It's only 5 items, but I feel like it's something better out there. If it was like 1 mile, I would just go ahead and do it, but I'm gonna hold my horses because I feel like it's something better out there. Now we got a few drivers pulling up. Maybe they got an ASAP, maybe they got some customer pickups. Who knows? But I feel like I can do a little bit better than a $13 shopping order going 3 miles away. Now, that's not to say that was a bad order, but it's going to be some extra levels of verification when I get to the customer. And I ain't really trying to deal with all that. You know, if it was $13, 3 miles, 1 item, no alcohol, even if it was a case of water, I probably would have knocked it out. But nah, when they got a couple items, you know, they probably might have had me going to multiple departments. That's not quick and simple for me. In anything less than $15, I need it to be quick and simple, and preferably less than 2 miles. So that order had a lot of things going bad for it, and these customers need to get it together. Like, come on now, if you ordering alcohol, at least take care of the driver. Like, geez, base pay on shopping orders is $11. They only tip $2.92. Like, nah, bro, that's not gonna fly. You can go get them 5 items yourself. Ooh wee. Oh no, look, $26.16. Sound good. 5 miles, sound good, right? 39 items. These folks left a $2 tip. Listen, look, I can't do that, because these people might lie and say they never got their order, and that's not something I'm trying to deal with. You know, for 39 items, I need $39. I don't care how the customer got a tip. I don't care how much base pay Walmart need to pay, but it need to be $39 for 39 items if it's going 5 miles away. That lets me know that that's a bad customer and a bad order, because $2 tip on all them groceries, that customer don't care about nothing. And I'll be damned if I get back to the crib and I get a message saying customer reporting they didn't receive all their items. No, looky here, you cheap ass customer. You knew you didn't have enough money for all that stuff. You didn't want a tip, and then you want to have somebody in there shopping it, delivering it to you, just so you can turn back and lie and say you ain't getting nothing, and then give a 1 star. No, not dealing with you. So look, if you see orders like that, be careful, because even though the payout was all right, but compared to the items, it was not. The mileage was all right compared to the payout and everything. But then if you compare it to the items, it's like, nah, don't take an order like this. Now look, I'm glad I declined that one, because look what I just got. $37.15, 6 miles. Now that's what I want right there. That's putting me over my daily goal. Miles to money ratio is there. We got 6 to 1 miles to money ratio. Look at this one, $25.73 for 28 miles. Don't take that. Don't take that, guys. I'm gonna take this offer right here. $37, 6 miles. Yes, sir. I appreciate it. We got about 15 minutes until I can pull up and check in for that one, and I'm cool with it, because I would have spent 15, 20 minutes in there shopping that $26 order, going 5 miles away. And now that's a horrible customer. That is a horrible customer, because they don't care that they may be jeopardizing the driver. They don't care about none of that. I would much rather deliver to these 3 customers. First customer got 20 items. Second customer got 16 items. Third customer ain't got nothing but 18. Nobody ordered no alcohol. I got 1 apartment delivery and 1 bulky item delivery. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We got $12 in earnings, $12 in delivery earnings, 6 mile total distance on this order. We got a $23.70 tip between 3 customers. Like, let's get it. The tips on this order between these 3 customers is way better. They put in money and they say, you know what? Somebody's bringing this. Somebody got to get this order together. You know, I'm going to take care of everybody along the way. So you got $23, almost $24 in tips. On the flip side, the last customer, they want damn near 40 items. You know, they want somebody to shop it. They want somebody to load it up in the car. They want somebody to deliver it, but they only want to tip $2. Don't make no sense. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense. And you're going to lose money or have more issues on the app as far as verification and customers lying. You're going to have more issues. So decline them orders like that. Make sure you click on that order and get a little bit more information. See what the item count is. See if it's an apartment. See if this customer, you know, just see if anything weird going on with your order. That way you can make an educated decision and not waste your time, and you may get something better. So look, this order right here gonna put us at 100. We're gonna get these 3 customers dropped off, and maybe we'll get some more cash tips. Who knows? All right, so we made it to customer number 1. We got this big old tote and this cat litter. I'm gonna just go ahead and walk this cat litter up here real quick. Get that, then I could just grab the tote. Shouldn't be too many heavy items up in there, so we should be good to go. All right, there's one. We just go back and grab these other ones and we'd be good to go. I think all 3 customers are right over here in this little bitty neighborhood right here, so that's a win. All right, so my GPS is telling me that we only 3 minutes away from our next destination, so that's perfect. Number 2 right here, and wouldn't you know it, they didn't put no stickers on these. They always do that, boy. They be getting on my nerves. They didn't put no stickers on this bad boy. So now I gotta figure out what's what. Make sure my customer getting all their stuff. You know what, it's cool though. Good old Walmart employees. Numbers. So how do I know if I'm at the right house? Jeanette. Let's see if that name matches. Kelly Jeanette. Yep, I guess I'm at the right spot. The last name match up. They definitely don't got no numbers on the front of this house. So that is helpful. Definitely makes it easier when there's no house numbers. There we go. Well, that's 139 and that's 145, so this gotta be in the middle. Yeah, I think I'm good. Boy, these Walmart people. GPS say we are 3 minutes away from customer number 3, and they only got a few items too, thank goodness. Now, we already over the $100 goal for today, and we actually getting additional trip earnings on this order too, so that's a win right there. But man, it's really changed on Walmart Spark. You used to be able to come out, turn the app on for 3 hours, no matter what zone you in, and make $100. And it's just not the case anymore, guys. We have a lot of illegal immigrants flooding the Walmart Spark app. They buying accounts off of Facebook, you know, they pulling up to your Walmart, 4-5 phones at one time. They in there doing a shopping order, placing it in the car, and then running back in there and grabbing another one. So it's becoming really, really hard for the average American to compete because they don't care about the activation. They don't care about customer need to sign for this order. They don't care about none of that. All they care about is I need to get orders so that the big boss can give me a payout at the end of the week, because they're not even collecting the money that they get on these orders. Someone else is collecting all that money, and then they dishing that out to them on a weekly basis. So they don't care who account they're using. They don't care what the ratings on that account is. They don't care about any of the things that us Americans need to worry about in order to stay on the platform. So, you know, you got to deal with what you got. This is why I preach multi-app, and if you put all your eggs in one basket, you may encounter things like this on not just the Walmart Spark app, but all the apps. Because from the app's perspective, they don't care that it's an illegal immigrant out there delivering. They don't care that it's a danger when you have unverified and unvalidated folks pulling up to people's houses and getting signatures, and then they looking all in the house. They don't care about none of that. All they care about is, did the order get picked up? Did it get delivered? And did we pay the least amount of money possible to facilitate that order? That's all they care about, guys. So, you know, this is the trend. Until we see the government start to step in and really crack down on these apps allowing this behavior to happen, ain't really gonna be too much we can do about it. But to all my content creators out there shedding light on this issue, kudos to you, because I'm doing the same thing. Because I tell you what, they got me messed up. Look, Lil Pablo and Lavinny and Jessica, whoever y'all is, look, y'all think y'all finna get my Spark orders? Hell to the no, because I need my money, so stop playing with me. So we pulling up. This is customer number 3 right here. You know what? I'm finna bust a U-turn because their house is kind of weird to where their front door is facing opposite way of the street where I need to go. So I'm gonna just do it just like this and make it real, real quick. Now let's go ahead and flip that camera around. Boom. All right, A. Davis, we got you right here ready to go, A. Davis. Hopefully it ain't no signature. I hate when it's a signature. There we go, scan that in. And this was the smallest one out of all 3 of the orders. That's the house we going to right there. So I've been out here since 11/14, guys. I got 4 orders done, and we sitting at just about $100 because I'm gonna go ahead and throw a screenshot up. But if I add everything up, I think I'm at about $100 and some change. And that's not even counting the additional trip earnings that we received on just about every single curbside offer that we did today. So I'm happy with that. Look, the time is 3:24. We're a little bit past the 4-hour mark, but I'm cool with it because we did get nicely blessed with those last 2 orders. Because if it wasn't for those, we would have been doing the rat race trying to make that $100. But look, we got plenty of time left in the day. I'm about to go home and mix this video down for you guys. If you enjoyed it, do me one quick favor, please. Hit that like button. Hold on, let me hit that GPS. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And stop playing with me.